Guys, it's me again, and with my cousin Kyler.
Howdy.
And we're just going to be hanging out, riding, and yeah, so he's wanting me to follow him up behind him. So, yeah.
To get there, we're going to go down and hit the jump.
Okay, but what about the camera? Go, hurry.
You can hold the camera while jumping.
Pinky moment. Do not ever bring your cousin Kyler on a ride. Or cousin at all. Hurry up, my dude.
Ow.
Did you just hit yourself? La, la, la. I know. Jesus, she wants me to always get the perfect shot. It's like, boy.
That was weird.
That one was, huh?
I missed the jump?
You didn't land it. You landed like right.
Yeah, that felt weird. Did I miss the jump though?
No, you got air here.
That was the weirdest thing I've ever done. I landed. Zach, you know what I just did though? I landed in an ollie. I did. Right here, bud.
Right there? Back tire?
Yeah. You're this far away.
Okay. And that you did not land an ollie because how do you land an ollie? You're in the air.
No, see, I landed in a wheelie.
That you said an ollie. Make up your mind.
It's the same difference. I landed in
What's
a
this?
wheelie.
What's the same difference? Dude, talk straight. Okay, you ready to talk now?
Howdy.
Okay. Okay. I don't really want to keep on doing this. This is getting boring.
Yeah, but we have to complete it, don't we? We didn't complete it in yesterday's vlog.
Well, I'm bored.
What are you gonna do out here then?
Ride?
Do what? Let's just go down to the park.
What do you guys want us to do?
Oh, like they're gonna tell you right now.
Hmm?
They're gonna tell you right now.
Like they're going to tell me right now?
Never mind.
Well, comment down in the comment section below because he is being a jerk right now. But I'm not sure what to do. You should like we haven't been
The cars?
the cars now. We can do a Q&A about it. So I just don't want to keep on jumping this. It's getting boring. So I'm not sure what to do. Except for sit here and talk.
Let's go down to the park and remember our track.
Yeah, but we can't go down to the park, remember?
To go grab the scooters.
Yeah. Because, actually, wait, you won't have a scooter because it's in Jeff's truck, remember? Yeah.
Where's Jeff?
They're in parachute, remember?
Oh, yeah.
For that one competition thing. Here. I'm going to just... Here's the ghetto half pipe over there.
Yeet. You wanna go do it? Okay. It's not so much a half pipe, it's just a little itty bitty jump I like doing. Honestly. It's more of a scooter thing. Right there is the ghetto half pipe. Zach, hit the half pipe. Daggum.
That sucks.
Here, Zach. Watch this. I'll get both tires out in there.
I didn't even try bunny hopping. I tried to do a wheelie off.
Here.
But I suck, so.
I get both my tires in there already.
Show off.
Hold on, I'm gonna get both tires out there on this one too.
You're just bunny hopping.
I know. There's no way to jump it. Honestly, it's... Whose man is this? God dang it. There we go. Oh, yeah, we should do that. Just try to clear it.
I just saw it and I wanted to do it.
Okay, let's try to clear that one.
Okay. Or we should bunny hop off of this.
We're gonna have to come from the side.
Yeah, but let's just finish this first.
I'm gonna clear that first.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me get a good shot before you do it, okay?
This side.
You guys are oh God, I dropped my bike.
I was not ready for that.
I told you to wait. What happened? What happened?
My back tire caught.
On what? Oh, I see. I see. Right here.
I almost had it.
Almost. Here, let me try it.
I mean, I jumped from right here.
Yeah, obviously. Here, I'll try to do it now. Oh, fuck.
Amazing! 10 out of 10.
I get it here. Right here. This is mine.
Okay, okay. Your back tire almost caught.
I know.
So Zach, we should jump that and come around and see if we could bunny hop over that.
That's far.
Here.
Oh my God. It's hot. Like hot. Like hot. Daddy hot. Well, 100 degrees. Well, there's one stray dog and one random dog. I'm not sure what to do with them.
Howdy.
So, yeah, I guess we're just gonna keep on. Here, you just want to ride around the block or something? Jesus. I missed that. I need to get a tripod so I can hold it. I have to hold my camera like.
Zach, we should
And
see if we can do 360 camps.
oh yeah, but I don't have that kind of camera yet.
What?
I don't have that camera yet.
What?
I don't have the camera yet to do that.
God, look at my elbow. I hurt my elbow. Zach, kiss it better.
I know you fucking gay leg. Oh my God. Dude, it's tiring. He thinks he's all cool because he can go fast on the bike. Like, boy. Wow. Did he really just do what I thought he did? Ugh. I can't move. I think we're gonna go get our RC cars now. I'm pretty sure we are. Hey, are we getting our RC cars now? Here.
I mean, they are kind of just cheap little RC cars.
Yeah, they're not very fast or good, but no, hold.
I know. Here, no, Zach, I'll just run and get the RC cars.
No, I got it because I've been holding the camera.
Okay. So, I'll see you guys whenever we get the cars. Dang it. Okay, guys, Zach doesn't know that I'm going to do an edit right now on our bikes. And comment down below if you guys like it. Yeah. Probably the worst edit ever made, because it's my first. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, we're gonna try to get a scary reaction out of Zach whenever he comes back out. Okay. I don't know where we're gonna hide. I found it. Actually, we should probably hide. Okay, guys, it doesn't look like he's coming out, but as soon as he walks out the door, hi, Roscoe. Hi, Ross.
Oh, by the way.
Hi, Roscoe.
Hey guys, that's our new dog named Roscoe. Roscoe,
It's Annie.
Roscoe.
Where's the pasta?
Pitbull.
Hold on. Never mind. Would you rather or lunch?
Yeah, I can't find him.
Here, take this. I already used the restroom.
Hey, Roscoe, Roscoe. We just got here with our bikes.
Huh?
Got here with our bikes.
Hold on.
Not my fault for getting scolded.
I know.
This kid's so annoying. Well, I want to look for the controllers now. You guys, I'm back and I check out this fidget spinner, bruh. So sick. It doesn't even look like it's spinning, but it really is. Look. Yeah, it's pretty insane, huh? Well, I'm gonna look for my thing. Oh yeah, I also have this fidget spinner. I have this one. I have lots. I have American one. Oh yeah, I forgot. Controllers. Look, be right back. Oh,
Hey guys, it's us again, and we're gonna have
here, go that way.
to finish off the video by driving our little Walmart RC cars. They're not very nice. They do have turbo. They're pretty nice. But we're gonna have to finish off the video by doing that. Okay, guys. See, without turbo. Annie, no. Amazing. Aha, I got you now. Here, Jacques, I'm just going to set the camera down so I can drive.
I think
We're done. We just ran out of space. It says, no, we said we're done.
okay.